Good morning, student. I think you are safe and healthy at home, and now we will start the problem which I gave you to do yourself, and the time that was 30 minutes, and the marks is also 30 minutes. And I told that you have to give your marks according to the solution which I am solving at here. If you have solved yourself, then it is better, and how much marks you will get, then check yourself. And if you go through the topic properly, then you can solve all the question in a proper way. And today is your last class, and for PT1 syllabus. The PT1 syllabus, there is a chapter 1 and chapter 2. And please revise at home as much as you can. And now the question first was, now check how the question can be solved, and I just give some hint if you want, and you have to check yourself. Px is equal to 3x cube, this will be, and find P2. If Px is given to us, first question, what is Px? Px is equal to 3x cube plus 4x square minus 5x plus 8. What do we have to find out? We have to find out P minus 2. What is the meaning of P minus 2? It means we have to put the value of x, which is minus 2. Mean I have to place minus 2 in place of x. Where there is x, we have to put minus 2. Here is 3 minus 2 whole cube plus 4 minus 2 square minus 5 minus 2 plus 8. Here is 3 2 cube 8, and here is minus even number, this will be minus, plus 4 2 square 4 minus power is even number, then it will be plus, minus minus plus 10 plus 8, and it is your answer is minus 24 plus 16 plus 10 or 8 18 plus that will be 34, and this will be 24, and answer is 10. Well, it means P minus 2 is equal to 10. It is your answer. The first answer of first question is 10. And now you can do it in this way, you can find out. Second question, find the remainder. If you want to find out the remainder, then you have to apply the remainder theorem. If the question will ask divide it and then find remainder, then you have to divide by the division formula. Long division method. Second question, here is put add 2x minus 1 equal to 0, 2x equal to 1, x equal to 1 by 2. Mean we have to put 1 by 2 in place of x. What is Px? Px is equal to 4x cube plus 8x square minus 17x plus 10. P 1 by 2 is equal to 4 1 by 2 whole cube plus 8 1 by 2 square minus 17 1 by 2 plus 10. Here is 4 1 square 1 cube is 1 2 cube 8 into 1 by 8, put in bracket first, plus 8 1 square 1 2 square 4 minus 17 1 ja 17 upon 2 plus 10, and that will be 4 upon 4 1 ja 4 2 ja. It means 1 by 2 plus 4 1 4 2, this will be 2 minus 17 upon 2 plus 10, and after that you can solve, find the LCM. And easy way to find out, 10 plus 2 12 plus, here is LCM is same 17 minus, so it means 2 is same 1 minus 17 and plus 12, and further you solve yourself. It is your solution. Check it whether you are right or wrong. And after this you solve each and every question. After this you solve minus, this will be 16 upon 2 plus 12. Now you can solve easily. This will be 8 4 answer is 4. Question number 3rd. Now note it down fast. Now question number 3rd. A B C plus third, A plus B plus C is equal to 8. AB plus BC plus AC is equal to 19. What you have to find out? A square plus B square plus C square. We know what you know. A plus B plus C is equal to 8. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So what is your answer? A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square. Here is A plus B plus C whole square. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA is equal to 64. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 is common. What is that? AB plus BC plus AC. 2 is common, and then AB plus is equal to 64. And now put the value of AB plus BC plus AC. AB plus BC plus AC is 19. So that is A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into 19 is equal to 64. A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 64 minus 19 to the 38. Now subtracting, it is your answer. This is the question number 3rd. In this way we can find out the solution. Which one is question number 4th? What is this? 4th question. X plus 1 equal to 0. X की power 16 plus 60 is divided by this. Find remainder. So it means put x plus 1 is equal to 0. Put x plus x is equal to minus 1. So px is equal to x की power 60 plus 60. We have to find out remainder. You know it very well. Remainder means p minus 1 means we put value of x which is equal to minus 1. Need not to divide, please, need not to divide, and put minus 1 in place of x. Minus 1 power 60 plus में 60. Minus 1 power is even number, so answer is 1 plus 60 is equal to 61. Then p minus 1 is equal to 61, and it is your answer. So this is question number 4, and move to question number 5. Find the coefficient. Question number 5. Find the coefficient of x. So it means x plus 5 whole cube is equal to, we have to apply identities. A plus b whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Or we can apply the identity. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket a plus b. A cube. What is a cube? X. We have to apply this formula. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, or a square a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. We can apply this identity also. So we are applying this one. What is a? 5. Sorry, x cube plus this is 5 cube plus 3a. This is a and this is b. A is x, b is 5 into में a plus b, and now x cube plus 5 cube 125 plus 5 3 is 15 x plus 5 open bracket x cube plus 125 plus 15 x square open bracket, and now you do yourself. 5 is 75 x standard form x cube plus 15x square plus 75 x plus 125. What we have to find out? Coefficient of x. Coefficient of x. X is here x cube, here x square. This is the. It means coefficient of x is 75, and it is your answer. This is the question number 5. Question number 6. 6. Find the factor of 2x square plus 7x minus 4. 4 multiplied 2 multiplied 8 minus here is 7. We have to find out the two numbers such that their product is 8 and difference is 7. The first factor of 8, 1 into 8, 8 1 ja 8. 8 into 1 is equal to 8. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. So answer is over. One is 8, other is 1. So it means the two numbers 8 and 1 are such that their product is 8 and difference is 7. Then we have to split. 2x square plus 7 means 8x. First we write larger number. 8x, this we have to break. Minus x minus 4. And we have to make pair and take common. What is common? 2 and 8. What is the common factor between 2 and 8? Name which number is divisible by both. Largest number 2 is common, and here is x 2, here is x1, x common. 2, 2, 1, 2, 2 1 ja 1. Here is x2, here is x 1x. Need not write 1 plus 2 table of 8 divided by 2 4 x divided by x 1. Need not write. Minus is common, and there is no common factor. That means only 1 is common factor. When there is a no common, that means 1 is the common factor between two numbers. 1 is always common. Then minus, if there is a common minus, then sign will change. Here minus minus x plus 4, and you know both should be same. This should be same. X plus 4, and second one is 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1. These are the factors of question number 6. And now question number 7. A plus a upon b. A upon b 7, and plus b upon a is equal to minus 1. We have to find out a cube minus b cube. We know the formula of a cube minus b cube. First we have to take LCM. What is LCM? AB. Here is AB divided by b. AB divided by b. So b will cut. AB divided by b. B will cut. What is left? A multiplied a square plus AB divided by A will cut. What is that? B multiplied B square is equal to minus 1. Cross multiply A square plus B square minus AB. Here is minus, and that will be transposed to the left side. It will plus. So what is your answer? A square plus B square plus AB is equal to 0. This is your A square plus B square plus AB is equal to 0. Then A cube plus B cube. We had minus B cube. We have to find out this value. We know the formula a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. You know the formula, and this value equal to 0. So that means a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, and this is 0. 0 जिससे लड़ेगा 0 हो जाएगा. तो 0 से लड़ना नहीं है, एंड अपना ही काम करना है. 0 से लड़ना नहीं, इसलिए अपना काम करना है. दिस इज योर आंसर. आंसर इज 0. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. This is your 7th question. 8. Now move to 8th question. What is 8? If x plus 1, x minus 1 factors mean remainder always equal to 0. If x plus 1 is factors of which one? Px. It is your Px. Then P, here is x plus 1 equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. So P minus 1 equal to 0. When this is the x plus 1 is the factor, so p minus 1 is equal to 0. So it means we have to put value of x here is minus 1. What we will put value of x minus 1. So a x px. What is px? Px is equal to ax cube plus x square minus 2x plus b. P minus 1 equal to a minus 1 cube plus 1 minus 1 square minus 2 minus 1 plus b. Here is minus 1 cube is minus 1, that is minus a. I think you know it very well. A minus 1 plus 1 minus plus 2 plus b. Here is minus a plus 3 plus b. It means minus a plus b plus 3. This is b minus 1, and b minus 1 equal to 0. So that means then a minus a plus b plus 3 equal to 0. Why? Because b minus 1 equal to 0. Here we will put 0. That means this is also equal to 0. It is equation number first. And then x minus 1 is the factor. So put x minus 1 equal to 0. X equal to 1. So find p1. p1 equal to 0. So p 1. Here we will put 1. Here is 1. So that means a 1 is cube plus 1 square minus 2 1 plus b. P1 is equal to A. 1 cube is 1 plus 1 minus 2 plus B. P1 is equal to A minus 1 plus B. We can write in P1 is equal to A plus B minus 1. And P1 is equal to 0. P1 equal to 0. So that means then A plus B minus 1 equal to 0. Why? This is equal to 0. So therefore this is also equal to 0. Equation number second. This is 0. This is 0. Right hand side is same. From first and second. This is 0. And this is 0. Right hand side is same. If the right hand side is same, then left hand side is also same. From first and second. From first and second. Minus A plus B plus 3 equal to 0. And this 0 again equal to A plus B minus 1. It means this is equal to 0. This is also equal to 0. So we can write A plus B plus 3 equal to A plus B minus 1. B will cut. Minus A plus 3 is equal to A minus 1. This is plus minus A minus A. Transpose. Here is minus 1. This is plus and minus. Minus A minus A minus 2A minus 4. Minus minus. Then A is equal to 4 upon 2 is equal to 2. A is equal to 2 again. The value of A is equal to 2. And then put the value of A in equation first or in equation second. Put A equal to 2 in equation either first. You can put in first or in second. I am putting in first. Minus A plus B plus 3 equal to 0. A is 2. Minus 2 plus B plus 3 equal to 0. 3 minus 2. B plus 1 equal to 0. So B is equal to minus 1. This is your answer. This is A and this is B. This is question number 8. And now two questions are left. Question number 9 and 10. These are question number 8. And question number 9. A part 369 whole square minus 368 whole square. We know A square minus B square is equal to A minus B, A plus B. Here is, this is A and this is B. We apply identity. This is B. That means 369 square minus 368 square is equal to A plus B. 369 minus 368 minus and 369 plus 368 equal one time plus one time minus. This will be 1 and this will be 7. 737. Now what is your answer now? This will be 737. 369 square minus 368 square. You have to apply identity, not direct multiply. And now question number 9, B part. Px. Question was Px is equal to x plus 4. 9, B part. Px equal to x plus 4. Then P minus x. It means we have to put minus x in place of x, not in place of 4. So that means minus x plus 4. What we have to find out? Px plus P minus x is equal to, what is Px? X plus 4. What is P minus x? Minus x plus 4. This is the value of Px, this is minus Px. This will cut, is equal to 8. And now last question is 10th. A plus B plus C equal to 0. If A plus B plus C is equal to 0, then you know the identity. What do you know identity? A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. D, this is PABC. This will be here on right hand side, transfer to the left hand side. So that will be divided, or we can say divided by ABC C on both sides. Here is 3ABC. Either you can divide it here. It means AQ plus BQ plus CQ upon में ABC is equal to 3ABC upon में ABC, AC, C, B. What is left? We take separately. AQ upon में ABC plus BQ upon में ABC plus CQ upon में ABC equal to 3. This A will cut. Here is 2. This B will cut. Here is C will cut. So it means A square upon में BC plus B square upon में AC plus C square upon में AB is equal to 3. This is your answer. These are the questions which I gave you, and check give marks yourself. And 1 to 5 1 marks, and 6 to 10 is 3 marks. That is 20. And how many marks you will obtain? Check yourself. And the syllabus is over. Please revise at home. Thank you.